Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to switch to all new Facebook desktop interface update.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Facebook has a brand new design for its desktop application at facebook.com. The new Facebook design is very similar to the mobile app design with categories showing right on the top of the page. To begin, open any browser and go to www.facebook.com. Now log into your account. This is the regular Facebook interface. Now, click on the down arrow from the top right corner of the interface. A drop-down menu will open. From this menu, select the Switch to New Facebook option. The page will refresh, and the new interface design will load. A welcome message will appear the first time that you switch to the new Facebook design. Facebook now includes a dark mode that you can enable whenever you want to give your eyes a break. The red design also allows faster loading time, also cleaner look, and bigger text. Click the next button to proceed. Before jumping into the new interface, you'll be able to choose between the traditional light mode or switch to the new dark mode. Select whichever option you like. And then, click the Get Started button. Once you've enabled the new interface, you can always revert the change from your Facebook account's front page. You have successfully switched to the Facebook's new interface. Now explore the various tabs like Home, Friends, Watch, and Groups. Go to your profile to see the changes of new Facebook. Go back. If you want to enable the dark mode, click on the down arrow from the top right corner. Now toggle on the button beside Dark Mode. The new Facebook Dark Mode has been enabled. If you don't like the new interface, you can always revert the change from your Facebook account's front page. To do this, click on the down arrow in the top right corner again. From the drop-down menu, select Switch to Classic Facebook. You can give ratings if you want. You have switched back to the old Facebook interface. In this way, you can switch to the new Facebook desktop interface. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.